Ayan ba siya? Payat. Off-shoulder siya. Kasi ba yan?
Oo, nakaway.
Wala yan, naka-off-shoulder. Ganda.
Bakit?
Parang yan tinatanong ko.
Anong tubak ba? Dito? Okay lang maging ka-baso ba?
Pwede naman yung
Sir, pag sila yung set namin, ikaw yung nanonood ba kayo sa Thursday? 12 ang roll namin. 12 ang roll namin.
Ba't hindi mo pang video?
Ano yun naman? Dapat na 10:30 to paano ka mag-move? Ito mo sila pinaka-episode nila. Hindi ko mabilis na naman yun.
Oh yeah.
Para free as a bird na lang. Tawagan mo. Ha? Hindi ko video mo lang. Para may proven ako.
Dito sa sarili.
For sure, nagpupunta.
Hindi mo single sila.
Saan lead ko yan?
Ako ang nagpaalam ng ospital, kasama lang
Paano mo lang makalusot doon, girl? Tingnan.
Monday, maybe it is the next day. But it opens soon. Which day? In Britain.
Ikaw na kaya, girl.
Two to 5 lang.
Saan? Ay!
Just do it scripts and you're going to get Guys, nakikiusap po kami. Wala mo na magpo-post. Sa 2018 pa po ang airing.
Mahirap sabihin.
Sabay po. 4, 3, 2, go! First time. see you here is this movie na nakaka-excite sa lahat ng mga tagahanap. How exciting.
Very excited to share it with you dahil medyo matagal na rin po sa last
Ilan taon? Apat.
More ba?
Apat.
2014.
Right.
Yun.
4 years.
Matagal-tagal din po nung muli kami nagtatrabaho. Ito, meron kami ino-offer na bagong istorya po para sa mga manonood. Talaga namang, talaga namang relevant ang mensahe.
Of course, I'm excited. Sitting next to
Answered prayer ba ito? Someone you pray for it, di ba? The people you want to work with.
Oh my.
Di ba?
Tapos yung mga sabi nila, big time.
You didn't have to. Yeah, I was destined to work with you.
Gusto ko naman yun. Totoo yan, some things are meant.
Yeah, kasi minsan hindi naman talaga kami, I mean, we have this connection we call friendship, pero hindi naman talaga kami, hindi naman kami hangout, o hindi naman, wala naman tayo sige na, diba, hindi naman. So, pag may pelikula, may chance ka na makakasama.
Ang dagdag lamang doon, hindi lang kayo nag-hangout, pero the moment nagkasama kayo sa pelikula, that spark is there. That chemistry is there.
Sabi nila,
Di ba? Sabi namin. And it's not, you either have that or you don't. Di ba? Merong sumusubok, merong mga minamanufacture pa nga. Yeah, which isn't bad in the business. But you guys have that natural chemistry.
We allow ourselves to give in siguro sa pagkakulo. Di ba?
Yeah.
Kasi minsan, may kami, kanya-kanya kami walls eh.
Meron ba yan? Hanggang
Klaseng
ngayon?
wall.
ako, pagdating sa'yo, medyo malipis wall ko. Ikaw, medyo makamal pa yata yung wall. Depende sa araw.
Pag-usapan namin.
May mga araw na sobrang kapal ng wall niya.
May mga
Minsan naman ako masindi.
Ngayon, Lloydie, medyo ano ba? Nakamitas ba ang gate o makapal ang wall? Nakakagado ba?
Today, hindi ko masabi.
Hindi pa. Wala ka pang masabi.
Hindi ko pa masabi today. Hindi ko
Okay.
alam parang kailangan mo kumatok.
Pagbubuksan mo ba pag may kumato? Let's talk about the roles. No? Rafi and April. Dahil you've been so identified in the other characters, Miggy and Lyda, di ba? I mean, pag sinabing Sarah Lloydie, meron bang deliberate effort na ibahin yung attack sa roles na ito?
Opo eh.
Meron.
Actually, din po ako nahirapan. Kami yung actually ng director ko. Kasi talagang tinigla ko natin na kailangan maiba ko kay Lyda. Pero nung punta nila, parang minahal nila kay Lyda. So, paano yun? So, sobra kami ingat na ingat sa mga eksena. Ako, personally, ingat na ingat po ako sa mga eksena.
So anong sagot doon? Hindi pwedeng mawala ng todo, pero kailangan maiba. So you created a distinct character in this movie.
Yes po.
Wow, that's exciting.
Mas mahirap din.
Oh, how'd you do it?
I always start with the heart of the character. Kasi pag doon ko pa panggalingin, hindi na ako mahihirapan mag-iba ng delivery. Kasi,
Lumalabas at lumalabas.
oo, pero I have to admit na it takes, sometimes it takes a while. Minsan, guilty ako dito kasi minsan, nakakailang araw ka na pero hindi pa kumakapit, hindi pa siya nag-second skin.
Hirap, no?
Medyo.
Oo, mahirap din yung proseso. Pero kanina, we were starting to talk about the walls, the doors, yung mga pag... You know, ngayon ba, after 4 years of not working together, and 10 years after the first time you worked together, tama ba ako, Miko? 10 years, tama? Sarah, may moods pa rin ba si John Lloyd? And Lloydie, si Sarah ba mas relaxed na ngayon?
Ito po yung hindi ko nakita yung first movie natin. Second, hindi eh. Yung third, medyo. Kasi,
Doon mo nakita.
opo. Bago ko mag-umpisa, medyo hindi kami okay eh. So, hindi kami masyado nagpapansin na yung tiguan. Tapos, doon sa third, yung last of the yung lyrics naman at the moment. Tapos,
Okay.
yun nga, nag-reshoot kami, inayos pa yung script. Then, doon na mas naging okay. Sabay na ulit sa dati. Itong pelikula namin, ito sobra, iba siya ngayon. As in, ang hirap yung lahi.
Ang hirap timplahin. Ni Lloydie. Ito, okay.
Kasi ang intense niya sa trabaho niya, sa craft niya. Ano,
Akala mo lang, ikaw nahihirapan.
Ano ang iyong reaksyon?
Gusto mo laban sa akin? Hindi ko rin alam. Miski ako, hirap-pautik na yung sarili ko.
But is she more relaxed?
Si Sarah?
Now.
Relax. Hindi ko na-exercise niya yung taste niya, yung choices niya.
Mhm.
Woman.
What?
Woman na siya. Kasi noon, yeah, she was a little, or a young lady. Pero ngayon,
Alam mo yun, kahit pag kinakausap ko yung dalawa, there's a certain beautiful kind of creative tension. No? Ay, meron eh. May kakaiba.
Talaga po.
It's there. I mean, hindi iniimbento, hindi ninanais, nangyayari lang. Katulad na halimbawa itong katotohanan ito, na both of you are, kayo naman, no? I mean, you're both Kathy Garcia Molina babies. Now, you're being directed in this movie by Theodore.
yeah.
So, how, may adjustment ba? I mean, how is it different?
Saan dito?
Ako malaki talaga. And I wanted that change. I really wanted it. Kasi, I was coming from, okay, three movies with Derek Cathy. Parang, kung iisa pa kami and with a new story to tell, baka mas mahirapan tayo. And ayoko na maging, alam ko si Derek Cathy will always be as brilliant. No? Kasi alam mo, parang, in a way, parang sigurado na medyo parang maabot na ako sa point ng complacent na tayo, na alam natin, we will achieve something. Parang, I wanted to work with Ted because kinakabahan ako.
And that's a good feeling for an actor.
Yeah.
Ikaw, Sa?
Ako po, nung umpisa ko, hindi ko na bago director, parang bago story, bago din po may offer ko sa programa, sa acting, gano'n. Pero yung nagbago na kami, to be honest, talaga, nanibago ako.
Saan ka na niba? Stilo?
Sa estilo po siguro, estilo. At saka, yun nga, medyo naging complacent. Tama si Lloyd dito. Yung malaman mo lang na as Derek Cathy, nakailang pelikula na kami, alam niya kung paano ko nakaka-deliver ng honest na performance or acting. Ganon. Dito kay Direk Ted, medyo parang nagtitimplahan, magtatansyahan sa buhay. Pero ang maganda ko sa naging journey namin kay Direk Ted, sobrang naging collaborative. At saka, ako din, nagkaroon ng responsibility on my part na, huwag ka umasa sa director mo. Dependent sa director mo. Dapat on your own, alam mo, pagka hindi ka naging sincere, ano pang kulang, naging honest ka, kung gusto mo pang ulitin, yung sena, ganun po. Maganda yung naging
You have to see her in this film. You have to see her.
No, I'm excited. I'm just listening to you guys talk about how you did this movie. Parang, wow, I mean, bago. At saka yung parati natin pinag-uusapan, yun ang parati. But I always like exploring what is beyond what you think you can do. In the context also of people you work with, di ba? Na isang tingin na lang, alam na natin. You know, other actors would say, gusto ko yun kasi hindi na nakakapagod. But when an actor says, gusto kong, I enjoy discomfort, I enjoy uncertainty, iba yun. Di ba? Iba yung produkto na yun. So, ngayon pa lamang ay imbitahan nyo na ang sambayanan ng Pilipinas at ang buong mundo
Yes.
sa exciting film.
Finally found someone, showing na po yan on July 26. Sana ho supportahan nyo kami talagang, totoo talaga to, talagang siguro lumuha kami ng dugo dito. Sana po supportahan nyo, Directed, thank you so much. Nandun po ito ng Star Cinema at ng Viva Films. Ito po ang aming reunion po din ni Sarah. So, we have a new story to tell, kaya sana po, huwag yung palampasin.
Hindi ba dito yun, it's a huge reunion movie. Tanong mga fans na kumontra.
Is this yours?
Okay.
Yes, at mga kapamilya na rin po kami na premiere po abroad. Sana po supportin nyo rin. So, is Canada po on August 4.
Wow.
Middle East August 3. Europe starting August 5. Ayan. UK August 5 and 6. 8 and 10. Vienna, Austria August 5. Rome and Milan, Italy on August 6. Madrid did Spain, August 6, Barcelona,
Spain, August 6. Ako na. Copenhagen, Denmark sa August 6 din po. Australia and New Zealand, August 10. Brunei and Papua New Guinea, August 3. Saipan on August 4. Hong Kong on August 13. Singapore, August 20. And Taiwan, August 13. Ang dami niya.
So this will show in theaters everywhere around the
Oh
world.
yes, very
Exciting,
much.
di ba? Parati pag sinasabi kasing Lloydie at saka Sarah, kilig yung unang pumapasok na salita. At ito po ay buo dito sa pelikula nito. I have it from very reliable sources. Di ba? Yung, kasi yun talagang sinasabi. Describe John Lloyd Sarah or Sarah John Lloyd film. Nakakakilig. Di ba? So, here's a question. This is from Mark. Do you see each other as husband and wife material? I'm not talking about you guys getting married, but do you see yourselves as a wife in the future, and do you see yourself as a husband in the future? And the question is, right now, she is just out there watching us, eavesdropping in this conversation. Ano ang nais niyong sabihin sa inyong future wife, future husband? Ayan po ay maririnig natin sa pagbabalik po ng TWP.
Ay, hindi ko alam. Sorry. Ay, sabi niya pala magandang buhay lang ang first day. Paano siya magluluto? Paano siya magluluto? Magpa-practice ko kami.
Ang bilis sa'yo, pinapastas mo yung
Bukas. Bukas mo mag-practice mo. Tuesday pa lang bukas. Bukas mo mag-practice.
pag yun, na-stress na pagkakami.
Mas stress lang. Subukan niyo.
Guguluhin namin.
Sino ka na lang?
Guguluhin namin. Guguluhin namin yung ano mo, treatment mo sa Thursday.
Posture.
Diba? Guguluhin namin. Matulog ka na lang.
Anytime po! Happy birthday! Sabi nga natin ang bilis ng panahon, ano? Talaga, okay. So we have a cake for you, and you have to blow your candle and you have to make a wish there. Lloyd, would you like to?
Okay guys.
Kumulong ka na.
Guguluhin taping mo kami may kasalanan.
Nag-kumpirma na siya ng kontrata sa akin.
Kasi daw po sinasabi yung
Kayo.
Gusto namin siya.
Totoo yun.
Hindi totoo yun. Teka muna, for mapunta tayo sa pelikula, but how does it feel? God, dito na nagdalaga. So proud of what you've achieved. Really.
Bilis naman parang nagtatagal lang yung kita na yun.
No, but can you look back? Naalala ko pa from the contest, concerts, movies. Did you ever expect to get to where you are? Talaga?
Ang gusto ko lang po talaga parang eh. Parang, wala po akong hindi nakapalit. Gusto ko lang talaga mag-perform. Hindi na magpasaya ng tao. Hindi na po. Parang
That makes a lot of difference, no? Alam niyo mga kaibigan, Lloyd, yung finals, yung grand finals, you were wearing a Raho dress, nalala pa, nalaglag pa yung the shawl. I will not forget that moment. You know, the young star. How old were you? 14 years old. That's just 29 and you're a superstar. God's so good.
Yes.
Ngayon, Sarah, ano yung pinakamalaking achievement sa palagay mo na iyong nagawa? At 29.
So, totoo lang dito mo, wala. Wala akong naisip na biggest achievement na nagawa ko. Hindi, pero, siguro yung isipin ko siya, biggest achievement, if ever man. Peace lang talaga at saka joy sa puso ko at sa puso ng mga mahal ko sa buhay. Yung siguro yung biggest achievement.
At importante yan. At 29, are you happy? Yes, right?
Ako, Tito Boy, sinasabi ko lagi, happiness is a choice.
It is. At dudugtungan ko yan, Lloyd. Happiness is a choice, but sometimes you work for it.
Yes.
Diba? I mean, it doesn't fall
Bumabagsak lang sa'yo.
from nowhere. You work sometimes hard for it. And I know you're happy. Pag-usapan nga natin yung lungkot, Kembot. Dahil maraming nagpapatanong yan. Ano ba yan? Yung lungkot, Kembot, for the movie. Did you do that in the movie?
Si Lloydie po, kay Lloydie Gaya yun eh.
Ako, Lloyd, kailangan mo.
Alam ko, si directed talaga.
Hindi na yung gumawa yan. Paano ba yun?
Ano yung director?
Paano ba yun?
Alam ko talaga, di ba direct?
How does it go?
Demo naman.
Nag-work lang siya pag talagang malungkot yung tao.
Ang kailangan man, hindi naman ako malungkot. Kailangan malungkot ang tao. Ano yun?
Otherwise, hindi siya.
There.
Nakita mo yung
Alam
pag-ikot
mo, iba ka talaga eh. Yun, diba? So, ginagawa yan para mawala ang lungkot.
Kasi yun sa, naniniwala ako na pagka nalulungkot ka, you need to shake it off. Kaya mo
So, ikembot mo.
kaya mo na, may mababago for sure.
Talaga?
Yeah, alam mo, in the same way na, di ba, yung mga tao na nade-depress, di ba tendency magkulong sa kwarto, manood ng walang katapusang magmarathon sa harap ng TV, hindi nila alam, depressed na sila. Alam mo, pagka gano'n, lumabas ka, tumakbo ka, or maglakad ka, pumunta ka sa park, pumunta ka sa kung saan yung gusto pumunta, yun ang pabago.
Tama.
Yun ang gagaling na yung idea ng Kevin.
But I totally agree with you. Halimbawa yung depressed ka, but it's also natural to stay in the room first. But don't stay there forever.
Oh, yeah.
What you're trying to say is, halimbawa, umiiyak ka, minsan nagmumura ka nga dahil hindi mo that's the way you contain or you manage the situation. But try going out. You know, you can't stop there. I agree with you. So itong, Kembot, lungkot Kembot, is shaking off.
Yeah, tinatry ko siya na kailangan ko
Ganun ka iba eh. Ang sexy mo doon. Paano nga, Lloyd?
Hindi na, makita mo naman.
Dito lang ako manunod.
single, double.
Yun, pampaalis na lungkot yun. But that's a nice thing.
Ayan, anytime na kailangan yung kembot ko, magsabi ka lang.
All she has to do is call.
Oh yeah. Text na lang, mag-call, mag-mahal.
Okay, Sarah, I wanted to talk to you about ano po sa voice teams. You know, I enjoy watching you guys, and pero you've been criticized because may mga nagsasabi na sinusunod mo yung emosyon, masyado kang maawain, at hindi mo sinusunod yung minsan yung galing, yung technicality, yung kung ano-ano pa. How do you react to that?
I respect their opinion. Yun po nila yun.
May emosyon ka naman talaga.
Actually, opo, totoo. May emosyon talaga ako. Pero, nung mga panahon na yun, nung nanginili ako, talagang decided na ako gusto niyo kung
Alam mo na.
Meron akong preference talaga, nung mas sa taste ko. Yun na po. Pero hindi ibig sabihin po na hindi ako naniniwala sa galing ng bawat isa. It's just that, yun lang po talaga yung naramdaman ko na gusto ko ng mga panahon na yun.
Ako, I agree with her. I will be very specific. Labyrinth did Jealous, for example. Tapos isa sa mga contestants sa X Factors did a version, what's his name? Jonas, whatever. Lowered it by a note, siguro. It was not a perfect rendition. Umiyak si Simon Cowell. Alam mo yung iba ang, you know, you're not looking for perfection because I don't think you really have perfect artists. Pero yung edges, iba yung
Ganda na
hampas.
nabibigay
Oh,
niya.
yun. That's why I get what you're trying to say. But congratulations on the points.
Thank you po.
Okay, let's go to my question. Do you see yourselves as, you know, married people, as a wife, as a husband one day? If your answer is a yes, I mean, he is out there waiting, just watching, eavesdropping on this conversation. What do you want to say? Do you see yourself as a husband?
Oh yeah,
You do.
I'm a great partner.
I do. From the bottom of my
I'm a
heart.
great lover. Huh?
Sarah, do you see yourself as a wife?
Pinapangarap ko, hindi lang as a wife, pero yung sana a good wife. Good wife.
She's out there. Just, it's possible that you haven't met. It's possible that you know her now. It's possible that destiny has yet to arrange that meeting. But what would you want to tell your future wife?
Dear future wife. Welcome to my world. And I can't wait to see and experience the world through your eyes. And I can't wait to share my happiness with you. Because naniniwala talaga ako, happiness is only real when shared.
Agree na naman ako doon. That's true. Sarah, ikaw. Is out there.
Ako, I can't wait spending the rest of my life loving you. And maiyak eh, no? And I miss you. Ah!
Ganun ba?
Bakit ba? Siyempre, di ba? Di ba?
Yeah, I miss you.
Miss natin yung magiging future na partner natin. Kasi, basta.
May kasunod yan. I miss you.
I miss you. I can't wait to see you and be with you. To learn from you and grow with you. And sana maging patient ka sa akin kasi ako dito boy, late bloomer talaga ako eh. Kahit na magpo-29 na ako, parang nasa early ano pa rin talaga, 20s or parang teenager pa rin nga yata eh. So sana ikaw yung sobrang lawak ng pag-ibig mo, ng pagpapasensya mo, at ng pagmamahal mo sa akin. As in, sana i-multiply mo pa yung pagmamahal mo sa'yo kasi mahihirapan ka.
He's listening. You know, let me tell you this. I look at her now, and I understand why some people find her really sexy.
Yes!
There's something about her. Diba? It's not, it's a very strong kind of sexiness. She's a very strong lady. You don't try to be a girl.
It's a deep cut.
Iba eh, no? It's in your shoulders. It's somewhere. Hindi ko alam. Oo, but so when people say they find Sarah sexy, dati kasi inire-relate ko sa bata. Maybe there's something about you. It's not coming from the point of view of a man because I'm not gay. But there's something, you know, very strong.
Gets mo na.
Oo.
Gets mo na.
I get it. Oo. Whatever it is, but I get it.
Di ba?
Ito. Okay? Ang atin lamang ay supportahan mo natin ang video. I'm really excited. I am a John Lloyd Sarah Geronimo fan and I'm going to watch the movie. And you guys are going to watch the movie. That opens July 26th. Okay? And happy birthday.
Thank you.
We have a special edition of Fast Talk, mga kaibigan.
Here we
Kami
go!
ang magtatanong kay Sarah because this is Sarah's first guesting here on the show. Ako muna. Okay. Sarah, labas, loob.
Loob.
Lights on, lights in. Araw, hindi kasi araw eh. Araw, buwan.
Buwan.
Sarah, heels, flats.
Flats.
Sweet or spicy?
Spice.
Jeep, tricycle.
Jeep.
Dilis or danggit?
Danggit.
Mestizo, moreno.
Moreno po.
Matalino o mabait?
Mabait.
Tulog, pagkain.
Pagkain.
Pera o pag-ibig?
Pwede mo both?
Sino ang mas paborito mong aso?
Lahat mo sila paborito ko.
Sino paborito mong leading man? And don't say na lahat sila paborito mo.
Sa tanong na hirap kang sagutin.
Yan.
Any math problem?
That's a good one.
Okay.
Sarah, saan ka hindi magaling?
Kamat!
Oo o hindi? Takot ka bang mag-isa?
Opo. Takot ako mag-isa.
Sarah, one word to describe Tita Demay.
Strong.
Sarah, biggest insecurity.
Wow, madami po too many to mention.
Ano ba yung first that comes to mind?
Biggest? Weak. I feel weak.
Okay.
Inexperienced.
Alright.
Okay, here we go. Sarah, sexiest part of... Amay!
Sexiest part of your body.
Sexiest part of my body.
His mind.
Di ba? Sarah, sexiest man in the Philippines.
Sexiest man in the Philippines? Tatay ko.
Grabe naman to, hindi to magaling yung tanong ah. Sarah G, yes or no? Am I the one that got away? Hello.
Am I the one that got away? So Lloydie daw ba?
No.
No, di ba?
Lloydie, is she the one who got away?
No.
No. Okay.
Shut up, Ganon.
Okay. Sarah, masarap na adobo o masarap na halik?
Adobo pa rin. Hindi!
Kawawa naman yung mga nakahalik sa'yo.
Hindi! Adobo yung tawag.
Guys, saan kayo guys? Saan kayo going na? Adobo pa rin yung oh, nako.
Sarah, yes or no? At 29, handa ka na ba magpakasal?
Yung totoo po, yes. Gusto kong isipin na handa na ako pero hindi pa. Gusto ko pero hindi pa.
I get that. Do you?
I know.
You don't? Gusto, pero hindi pa.
It's okay.
Ano it's okay?
I'd like to think that I'm ready but I'm not yet ready.
Kasi the truth is, I don't think malalaman mo kung ready ka na or hindi. You just dive into it.
Talaga? Do you?
Nag-agree din ako dyan. Okay? Nag-agree din ako dyan. But I don't want to be selfish sa partner ko. Kasi, di ba, para mahanap mo Mr. Right mo, kailangan maging Miss Right.
Correct. Alam mo, before you get commit, ganyan ang ginagawa.
Tama.
Bago mo maibigay ang sarili mo, ay, kasama, given na yun, dapat handa ka na talaga. Pero magkaiba yung question kung handa ka na magpakasal.
Okay. Actually, ibang, pero parang ibang
Ayun, sa'yo yung panalo eh!
dalawang konteksto ang naririnig ko kasi. Like, are you ever ready to get married? May mga tao kasi na naniniwala that you're never ready to get married. Just dive into it. That's what you're saying. There are people naman who would think very carefully about getting married. Because, I'm not talking about Sarah, it's not just about them. It's about them and others. You know, hindi lang ikaw, there are other considerations. Pwedeng karera, pwedeng pamilya, pwedeng pananaw. Diba? So, pwedeng parallel yung dalawang pananaw. But we respect. We respect. Are you ready to get married?
Yun na! Sino bang hinahanap mo? Ano bang qualities na hinahanap mo? Bakit kami kayo wala pa, Luigi? Ano ba yun na ako? Nakakita ka na ulit?
Don't start with me, Sarah. Sinisip mo na mo yun, baka hindi mo kaya tapusin.
for another interview. Maraming salamat. Thank you very much. Salamat. Dr. Steve Marcan, thank you. Steve Marc, pasalamatan natin Jay Generica. He's the voice of Genesis and Joy Mas. Voice of La Cambela at the Barangay. He's wearing a comfort and I wear maraming salamat. Live and love in abundance and always making our proud. Be kind. Abundance.
No. Medyo ngayon hindi ko, pero you always have to be kind.
Kailangan. Balance. From Yellow DLRC on Twitter. Kung sakali dumating yung araw na kakasal kayo, saan ang venue? What about it? You know, venue at anong theme? Pinaisip ka na? Or you're not the type who
Feeling ko, it's gonna be so random.
It is.
It's gonna be so random. Baka, oo eh. Pero, yun nga, baka syempre, kailangan mo pa rin isipin. Of course, hindi naman ito ay kakasal. Especially pag sa babae, sobrang big deal yung wedding. So, hindi ko masabi. Malamang, malaking part nun, decision ng girl.
Ako po, wala pa rin. Christian wedding.
Okay. From Laila on Twitter. Coach Sarah, I love the voice teams. Sino pinaka-bet mo na contestant sa ibang team?
Kasi Emma June, ang Tampuayan.
Galing.
Sobra.
For Kuya John Lloyd, kung sali ka sa The Voice, anong kantahin mo sa audition? At sino daw ang judge ang pipiliin mo?
Kamkawayan daw siya eh. Team Bamboo.
Anong audition piece mo daw?
Ano na to? Ano lang, katang isip lang.
Oo.
It has to be a Jeff Buckley song.
It has to be
Last Goodbye.
last.
Yay!
Okay, so pipiliin mo, Coach.
Sarah.
Oo, ikaw. Kanina sinabi mo, Bamboo.
Kailan ko sinabi yun?
Kanina. Tayo kanina.
Yancy T16 on Twitter. JL, ano favorite song mo ni Sarah at bakit Sarah? Please sing mo naman yung favorite ni JL.
Yung gusto kong pagawa nga sa kanyang song.
What is it?
Well, it's the same artist. Si Jeff Buckley. Really lang mo ano.
Galing.
Meron siyang isang song na it's called Love Rage. Yung sa Rage kasi, grabe yung rage niya para sa lalaki. Yung feeling ko, pag ginanda ng babae, mag-iiba yung ibig sabihin ng song. Parang ang ganda kung kakantahin yung giving her rage.
You know the song?
Opo.
Just a few lines. Ganda nung awit ko.
Dapat doon tayo.
Sasirahin ko pa yung song.
Yung words kasi na compliments.
Too young to hold on.
Too old to just break free and run. Sometimes a man gets carried away when he feels like he should be having his fun. Much too blind to see the damage he's done. Well, sometimes a man has to wait to find really he has no one.
Ang ganda talaga. Aegis Pop Corn on Twitter. Katuwa makita si Sarah to perform with Danielle Padilla, James Reid, and Inigo. Sino pa gusto niya makasama na younger guy?
Take note, please.
Younger guys?
Clarity.
Sino?
Clarity the God. So young.
Yung si Tristan ba yun?
Sino ba ang younger guy? Siguro ba contemporary si Daniel?
Yan si Joshua.
Yeah. Okay. From Holston, oh my God, Urmeneta on Facebook. For Sarah, paano ka mag-relax pag may free time? How do you relax?
At kain lang po, tsaka tulog talaga.
For Lloyd, nasabi mo dati na gusto mo mag-early retire. Did you say this? Mag-early retire sa showbiz. Gagawin mo pa ba? Please, wag na. More movies and shows.
You know, kanya-kanya tayo ng concept ng retirement.
Correct.
Para sa akin, retirement na yung, you know, you get to really choose kung ano yung gagawin. Somehow parang curating your business, curating your choices. Mas ganun yung ibig sabihin. And
Retirement.
I'm not gonna stop.
You're not.
Gusto mo yun. Film.
Of course.
Sobrang gusto.
Don't leave us, of course. I cannot imagine you doing any other thing. Diba?
Talaga?
I can't. You
Singer
can.
daw. Singer naman daw.
Singer naman. Maraming salamat.
Thank you!
Ito na sa direct. Thank you guys.
See you later.
Ang daming tao, ito naman na. Thank you,
Ano ba rin?